Good afternoon. Chapter Vector Algebra, Exercise 10.2, question number 10. The question is, find a vector in the direction of vector 5i minus j plus 2k which has magnitude 8 units. Okay, so let vector A equal to 5i minus j plus 2k. Okay, then magnitude of A, then magnitude of A equal to under root 5 square, coefficient of I is 5, so 5 square plus coefficient of j is minus 1, so minus 1 square, and coefficient of k is 2, so 2 square equal to under root 25 plus 25 plus 1 plus 4 equal to root 30 equal to root 30. Okay, is the magnitude of the given vector A. Okay, now the unit vector, the unit vector in the direction of in the direction of vector A is so unit vector is a vector by magnitude of A vector. Okay, and this equal to A vector is 5i minus j plus 2k divided by magnitude is root 30. This equal to okay, this is unit vector. Now the unit vector as per question, now the unit vector in the direction of in the direction of A vector A having magnitude 8 units. It is given 8 units is 8 into unit vector of A equal to 8 by root 30 into vector A is 5i minus j plus 2k. Okay, Now equal to this equal to, so 8 into 5 40 by root 30I minus 8 by root 30J plus 8 into 2 16 by root 30K. Okay, this is the required vector. This is the answer. Next, question number 11. Question number 11 is show that the vectors two I minus 3j plus 4k and minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k are collinear. Okay. Let vector A equal to 2y minus 3j plus 4k and B equal to, and vector B equal to minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. Okay, so their magnitude, that is first magnitude of a vector, therefore magnitude of a vector equal to under root 2 square plus minus 3 whole square plus 4 square equal to 4 plus 9 plus 16 under root 29. Then magnitude of B under root vector B, coefficient of I is minus 4, that is minus 4 square minus 4 whole square plus 6 square plus minus 8 whole square equal to 4 square is 16 under root 16 plus 36 plus 80, 8 is 64. 36 plus 64. Okay, so this equal to under root 96 116 equal to 4 into 29, that is 2 root 29. Okay, therefore vector B equal to, that is magnitude of B, therefore magnitude of B equal to 2 into magnitude of A. Root 29 is magnitude of A. Okay, thus Thus, A and vector A and vector B are collinear. Okay. Next question number 12. Find the direction cosines. Direction cosines of the vector of the vector I plus 2j plus 3k. I plus 2j plus 3k. So let vector A equal to given vector I plus 2j plus 3k. Okay, so magnitude of A, therefore under root 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square equal to 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 plus 9 equal to root 14. Root 14. Now L equal to, L equal to, LMN of the direction cosines. So L equal to, so coefficient of I is 1, that is 1 by root 14. 14. M equal to, coefficient of J is 2. So 2 by root 14. And N equal to, coefficient of K is 3. So 3 by root 14. Okay. Thus direction cosines of vector I plus 2j plus 3k, I plus 2j plus 3k are 1 by root 14, 2 by root 14, 3 by root 14. Okay, this is the answer, direction cosines. Next, question number 13. Find the direction cosines. Find the direction cosines of the vector joining the points A 1, 2, minus 3, 1, 2, minus 3, and B minus 1, minus 2, 1, 1 directed from A 1, 2, minus 3, and B is 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1 directed from A to B. A to B. Find the direction cosines of the vector joining the points A 1, 2, minus 3, B minus 1, minus 2, 1 directed from A to B. Okay. So here AB vector equal to AB equal to position vector of B vector minus position vector of A. Okay, so this equal to minus I P vector minus I minus 2j plus k minus A vector 1, 2, minus 3, that is I plus 2j minus 3k and this equal to minus I, so minus 2i minus 2j minus 4j plus k minus plus 3k plus 4k plus 4k. Okay, so AB vector is minus 2i minus 4j plus 4k. Now its magnitude AB under root, so minus 2 square minus 2 whole square plus minus 4 whole square plus 4 square equal to 4 plus 16 plus 16. Okay, so this equal to 32 plus 4 36, root 36 equal to 6. Okay, now L equal to coefficient of I, that is minus 2 by 6 equal to minus 1 by 3, and M equal to minus 4 by 6 minus 2 by 3. Okay, and LM N equal to n equal to 4 by coefficient of k is 4 by 6 equal to 2 by 3. Okay, therefore direction cosines, thus direction cosines of vector AB of vector AB are minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, these are the required direction cosines. Okay, thank you.